date?
November 10th, 2024.
I, Dillon Kreitzer, am excited to take you as my wife and my best friend and my forever home, wherever we go.
Dillon, the day is finally here.
Yeah, finally.
I've waited 8 years to be able to finally say I do to you. We've grown up together, and now we get to grow old together.
Reese and Dillon were high school sweethearts. They've gone through an entire relationship already. What is this, 10, 15, 20 years you guys have been together at this point? What are we doing?
Let us journey back to where it all began. Their unforgettable first date at the drive-in. Imagine the cold evening breeze, the scent of freshly popped popcorn, and the sun setting as the first stars begin to twinkle in the sky. Reese and Dillon sitting side by side in Miss Becky's infamous blue Honda Pilot. That night, under the sky, they weren't just watching a film, they were beginning to write the opening lines of their own love story.
From the day I got jealous that someone else was taking you to the homecoming dance, before we even had a conversation, I knew that you were amazing, that you were awesome. Then after our first kiss at the drive-in, when I made my move and was supposed to crash and burn, but I didn't, I told everyone on the drive home that I was going to marry you.
All right, does anybody have anything to say to the newlyweds? We're looking forward to it.
I vow to always be your best friend. I vow to embrace you tighter on your darker days, but to hold you close to me every day too.
Hey, Bubba.
I vow to listen to you. I promise to hear you without making you feel hostage to your own thoughts. I vow to always be the moon in your universe, to be your light as we both embody the essence of our union. I vow to always remind you of your potential because you have shown me more than even you can see. I vow to never judge you and to always let you express yourself in the weirdest way you choose to.
Can I have your daughter?
No.
So just turn around now? Is that what I didn't know if I was supposed to wait for something. All right. Ow.
Love you. Thank you. You look so handsome.
I vow to the best of my ability to fill our marriage with love, integrity, peace, stability, honor, and joy. Our marriage will always be one of the most important and amazing things in my life. And I'm excited to bring you formally into my family and give you so many brothers and sisters that will support you in every aspect of life.
So I'm sure growing up as an only child, you wouldn't have expected to gain this many siblings.
Family photos.
You are the most genuine person, and your confidence is radiant. You truly make everyone around you better, especially Dillon. Yeah.
Everyone say Christmas cards.
I would like to talk about Dillon for a second. As much as I would like to rag on you right now, the truth is, you're the younger brother that I always wanted but never had.
from this moment on, with you by my side, it's time for us to conquer the universe. We will crush every obstacle in our way on our path to victory, even if obstacle is spelled wrong. I, Dillon, take you, Reese, to be my wife.
May this knot of love remain forever tied, and may these hands be blessed.
I vow to love you and to always show you.
I, Reese,
I, Reese,
take you, Dillon,
take you, Dillon,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
You have my heart forever and ever, to your star and back. I love you, my sweet queen.
Minutes before, how are we feeling? So good. Good. Ready. Good. Amazing. 30 minutes. Everybody.
I vow to never deceive you, but instead to love you to my core. And I pinky promise I'm never going to let you question those vows.
Same time.
Love you
I love you too.
so much.
Am I allowed to kiss the bride now?
Yes.
Dillon, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Dillon Scott Kreitzer.
Have a wonderful time. It's great. You're both awesome and beautiful and wonderful day. Yay!
And now we all get to celebrate this couple and their marriage today. So I want you guys to stand up and join me in welcoming Mr. and Mrs. Kreitzer. Yes, that Mr. and Mrs. Kreitzer. Mr. and Mrs. Dillon Scott Kreitzer.
So if you will, raise a glass.
And a toast to Dillon and Reese.
To the new Mr. and Mrs. Kreitzer.
Here's to a happy marriage.
So when I asked these guys why each loves the other, here's what Dillon told me. He said, and I quote, "I love Reese because I feel like we are the weird little puzzle pieces that fit together. Every move I make is complemented by one from her. She is my heart and my home." And here's what Reese said about her love for Dillon. "Dillon has always been my comfort. He quickly became the person I go to for everything. Not only is he my partner, he is my best friend and my greatest feature. I feel so lucky to have found my person so early in life," end quote.
And Reese, you're one of a kind. Forever my pedal.
that's the end. I don't know what you say at the end.
That's it.
All right, cool.